and I'm not even scratching the surface when I say this. Um, Thinking about stress, anxiety, depression, thinking about academic pressure, thinking about the fear of failure, thinking about loneliness and isolation, thinking about relationship issues, thinking about financial worries. For us, a lot of this has expanded in scope over the last couple of decades as we have become more digital prone, as we have gotten into a situation where we do not really have very meaningful relationships outside of transactional relationships anywhere, where we really don't have capability for people to use others, capability for people to use the environment around them to be able to get support. And that, I think, is what we need to think about in terms of providing holistic, comprehensive capabilities to students.